Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this core workout. We will begin on our elbows, tucking our toes under, lifting your knees up in a low plank with alternating knee taps. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. As always, we have 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Alternating knee taps in our low plank. Keep going, 33 more seconds.
They don't even know me yet, but that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love into dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Take a quick 10-second breather and then swing your legs around. Sit on the back of your glutes, hinge your shoulders halfway back, point your toes, lift your shins to be parallel to the floor in a boat pose, and we do our Pilates 100s. Breathe out for 5, flip your palms, breathe in for 5. Keep going, belly button to spine, back is elongated, neck and head are in the same line from our tailbone all the way to the top. Keep going.
Wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories, but I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only loving.
Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Roll all the way onto your back. We're going to be lifting our legs perpendicular to the floor, pointing our toes, externally rotating our legs to a little fifth position, crossing one foot behind, one foot in front, crisscrossing all the way down, all the way up. We do these core battus or battery or beats. Keep going. Option here to lift the head and the neck. Also, option here to put the hands underneath the seat. If this is too difficult, keep your back flat along the floor, belly button towards spine. Keep going, 20 more seconds, you're halfway done. Finishing up the last one. Next, we're going to prop ourselves up on our elbows with our toes pointing towards the corner of the room, both knees extended. We're going to lower our right leg down and up for 20 seconds and then lower the left leg down and up. To make this exercise easier, lift the legs higher, and to make this exercise more difficult, lower the legs lower. Keep going. And let's switch legs. Left leg taps down and up. And relax. Next one, after this 10-second breather, we're going to be doing alternating heel taps on our back. So lifting our head and neck slightly, tapping our fingertips towards the back of our ankle. This is great for our obliques. Keep going, 35 more seconds.
To your face, and I know that I can't. No good it would do. It would scar you. Then what a fine friend I would be. How low can I go? I think I know.
And finishing, next one we have a bicycle crunches. So lift your head and your neck up, point your toes, extend one knee and tap your elbow to the opposite knee. Keep going, 40 seconds.
I think you know how low I can go low. I go low. Oh.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Give yourself a breather. Swing your legs around when you get a chance, and let's do a one-sided plank on our elbow for 20 seconds, and then we'll switch to the other side.
I won't think it over. I know one day we all die. I'm sure you could learn
And let's switch sides.
to despise me, and I could learn to make you cry. How low can I go? I think I know.
And finishing. Amazing work, you guys. Don't forget to stretch afterwards. Take a couple cat and cows, stretch out your core. You did amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.